Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make guacamole. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 3 avocados, 4 sprigs of fresh cilantro or 1 teaspoon of dried cilantro, 2 green onions, a tablespoon of lime juice, and a half teaspoon of salt. We'll start by ripping the leaves off of our cilantro and roughly chopping it. Then we'll thinly slice our green onion. Next, we'll cut our avocados in half lengthwise, twist the pieces apart, and remove the pit. Then we'll score the avocado flesh and remove it with a spoon. We'll mash our avocados in a bowl with our tablespoon of lime juice and a half teaspoon of salt. Then we'll stir in our cilantro and green onions. We'll serve this immediately with chips, reserve it for another recipe like our 7-layer dip, or store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe. For this, we're going to go to Walmart and buy guacamole because I can't get it out of my mouth.